The TV series Happiness to 10,000 Homes, directed by gold medal director Zheng Xiaolong and starring Zhao Liying, is on the air. The combination of director Zheng plus 85 flowers is not a costume drama, but a down-to-earth local style. This combination is somewhat surprising. Whether it is Wang Bing or not, we can wait and see. There are not many people who are popular in the film and television dramas of rural themes. On the one hand, these actresses with good looks and exquisite makeup are far away from the protagonists of this theme in terms of temperament and appearance. On the other hand, rural dramas must not show people with heavy makeup and red lips, and most of the little flowers are also unwilling to play ugly and play village girls. However, these 6 little flowers have left a deep impression on people by acting as village girls. Let's see how they perform. Zhao Liying. Happiness to 10,000 Homes opens with Zhao Liying getting married. The customs of rural marriages are highly restored in Zheng Dao's hands. The dowry is pulled by trucks, the small courtyard is full, and the dishes on the wedding table are also realistic. Looking at the bride Zhao Liying, the style of the white wedding dress is relatively conservative, avoiding the style of most wedding dresses with strapless, backless and deep V. A white cloak of the same color has both the functions of warmth and beauty, which is different from rural weddings. The atmosphere is very fusion. The other big red dress is a Chinese-style buckle plus stand-up collar design. The body is relatively loose and fat, Zhao Liying is not wearing a self-cultivation, and the overall shape is more nostalgic, especially the red flower on the bride's head, which makes people instantly return to the top, the scene of a century-old wedding. The crew paid attention to the costumes, and the characters had a sense of substitution. But the fly in the ointment is that although the heroine's clothing and makeup closely follow the country style, she has not escaped the delicate, well-defined eyebrows, and the missing beauty contacts, which fails to give people a sense of the country.